So we were at the wheel factory today. We've had lots of problems with our wheels. I mean, if you followed the Enertion story over the months and years, you'll know that we've constantly had some sort of quality control problem that we're trying to resolve.
So this is from the recent batch. So the PU quality is good, but it's going to be a little hard to do.
We ordered 78.
Yeah. So I got the samples I got were 80A, and I said no. Good formula, but I said too hard. So I actually don't think I've seen this. This is probably the worst case scenario of that, and we brought it with us on purpose because we wanted to show the producers this is what our customers have had to endure. And yes, this is the worst case scenario, but if we don't show them and we don't communicate what the problems are, they just don't get it. So we were there today, we spent hours there going through the quality, going through the procedures, going through all of the things that we wanted to see better. We actually spent a lot of the time in the lab as well. And actually, this is another wheel that we took with us. This particular case is more of a recent problem that we've found, where when the wheel rotates, there's a slight little wobble. You can actually see on this one, there's some markings on there. They actually put it into a high resolution digital video imaging system, and they actually draw a few circles around different points here using contrasting areas, and they use those circles to measure the different areas on the wheel to find out exactly why a problem like that might exist. We knew there was a problem, we wanted to fix it, but we didn't know how to solve it, but we got to the bottom of it, and that's why it's so important to go to these factories. And yeah, we went through all of the processes and made sure that in all the future batches that they send out, those problems don't exist. So we've gone from worst case scenario to slight faults, but overall the most important thing was that we went through it step by step and defined our criteria and made them understand exactly what it was that we need before they ship wheels to us. I mean, it's just not acceptable for them to send things that aren't at the highest standard. That's how they do it in a set like that.
Very cool.
Yeah. One of the other things that we took the time to do, we've got stable supply of wheels at the moment. Our current batch is good. The quality is at a level that we're very happy with, and our customers have been giving some positive feedback. If you do have a problem with your wheels, we're going to look after you. Don't worry about that. We're going to send wheels out. You're going to get sorted out. That's really not a concern for anyone to have. But what I do want to say is that we're not stopping here. We're pretty happy, I must admit, but we see room for improvement still. We believe we can make one of the best wheels.
You have this?
A similar machine, yes. So we can test for the problem, and if we find the problem, we'll ship it back.
Okay, they found the root cause why it's wobbling. The production line, they are using this when they assemble the remote. Yes, and this one, it will not stay straight always. Something like this.
So they have the ability to make it correctly?
Yes. So it's something similar to this, and then with an axle.
Yeah.
In this structure, it will not.
Can we see that report from the last batch?
Plus or minus half of a millimeter. So I think because you didn't see that you didn't realize that there were wheels that were wobbly in the last batch, I think we need to increase the sample size for this test.
Good to see you again. Very good. But we can explain it now to our customers. Before they just say, you guys, you don't care about quality, you don't care about our products. That's what they said to us. And we said, no, we do care. all we care about is quality. All we care about is the best wheels. And our customers need to understand that that's all we want to do. And I think you can help. You can make it happen. We've got a new batch of samples coming over the next few weeks. All these different kinds of urethane formulations. And we're going to be doing a lot of testing. We're going to be sending the wheels to our riders all over the globe and testing these wheels. And in the background, we're going to basically be developing the best wheels yet. We have a new opportunity to test whilst we have our production happening. So we can keep production running and we can do this without pressure, without rushing. We can do it properly and get the best result. Okay, great, fantastic. The good news is we've got a huge batch. There's about 3,000 wheels about to come out of the production line, and a lot of these wheels are going to be at our freight forwarding supplier. We'll get them out to anyone who's been waiting, and yeah, I think it's really positive news. It's just one step forward to being close to perfection, and yeah, we're all excited. It's been a huge day. I'm exhausted, the team's exhausted. We've all done a great job, and yeah, that's what we're here to do. Tomorrow's another day. We're gonna get some sleep and we're just gonna go back at it again and keep solving problems and keep driving hard, because that's what we want to do. There's nothing else for us to do. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.